Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect Spotify on Ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. But keep in mind, to be able to use the application, you're going to need a premium plan, either that or the free trial that is offered to you once you install the application for the first time, but Ladder cannot be used for free. So once you've done that, we can get started accessing the application, and our teams right here in the bottom right corner, from where we can get started accessing what team we want to be a part of and whose workouts we want to follow, and then we can access the workouts right here. So connecting your Spotify account to the Ladder application is simple. You're just going to open up the Ladder application and start your daily workout, and then tap the Spotify icon on the screen, so you can go ahead and access any of the workouts right here. And once you're going to go ahead and have your plan ready, you're going to go ahead and be able to access them. So once you start the workout, you're going to see everything from your journal and the workouts you can follow, the timers and so on. But basically also you're going to go ahead and be able to see a Spotify icon that's going to be on the screen that you can tap on, connect your Spotify profile and get started listening to music to your workout. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.